Hi ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome back on the channel for this first Happy 90. And I will try to show you in just 90 seconds how to realize one item from start to finish. Today we will speak about one of the most common items you can find in war theaters, wooden crates. The base for this realization is the Interactive set 8224. Just cut and glue all pieces together. Personally, I use cyanoacrylate glue. You can already give some damage to these boxes thanks to your hobby knife, a little saw or your tweezers, just to increase realism. I started the paint process with black. All the paints were acrylic paints, third generation from Interactive. Above this black layer, I applied a base coat of medium olive green. To reinforce the shadow, I diluted burnt umber with water and I passed this mixture in all the crevices. Once done, use a coarse sandpaper or your hobby knife to create some scratches on your box. This is why it is so interesting to work with natural wood boxes. A little bit of Europe dust pigments will increase realism. We will fix them with white spirit. For the final touch, we add a little piece of cloth done with a paper towel dipped in PVA glue. Let's paint it using a mix of olive green, grimy grey and British khaki. Once dry, to reinforce the shadow, we'll add a little bit of burnt umber in this mixture. To reinforce the highlight, we will add a little bit of grimy grey in the initial mixture. For highlight and shadow, our paint is highly diluted with water. And to finish the job, let's add a little bit of Europe dust pigments. Here it is guys, 90 seconds and we have it all done. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like the content, please subscribe and hit the bell to help me grow the channel. Greetings from Portugal. Ciao ciao.